Hi, in this tutorial I will discuss about route grouping. How you can group a number of routes, I will show this. In order to show that, I am going to my views folder and I am going to opening my route. This is the default route, okay? Welcome route. I am going to change the route. I am not going to change that. I am going to create my own route now. I am going to copy this and paste here, and here suppose I am going to give city. Okay, the return value, suppose I am going to directly print something here. For example, city is New York. Okay, I am going to create another route, and that is, for example, country, and the country I am going to give USA, and I am going to create another route and give that zip, that means zip code, and here I am going to put something. Normally what happens when I will go to hit the city, then what happens I will show you. This is a fresh Laravel installation, and when you refresh this, you will see this default page in Laravel, and my development server is running. Okay, now I go to give here the name city. You will see that New York is the city because I directly echo the name. Similarly, country, you can give country here. You see that USA. Similarly, zip, you will see that zip code. Okay, these three, but we want to put all these routes into another route, that is called route grouping. Route group, here is two parameter, one is prefix and another is, I am calling a function here. In this function I am going to cut all this and paste here. That means I am going to create a group. Okay, in group you will have to write the prefix, and this will be an array format, and the value is suppose location. The value is suppose location. Okay, so this is the format. Now if you go to run this, you will see that this is error because I have created a group and this route will start from location. So city is actually not route now. This is route, this is okay, but as this is into group, we will have to call this as location/city. So here location/zip, this will show, or location/city. Then you will see the city name, or country, then you will see the country name, but the location will be included into the route now. Okay, so in this way you can make a group and put your own routes there. Now we will see how we can apply middleware in this route. Okay, I am going to comment it. I will just work with these files. Okay, this one. So I will now create a middleware. Going to terminal, new terminal, PHP artisan make middleware, then check price. A middleware is created into app http middleware, this folder, check price. Okay, if this middleware is running or not, that means it works or not, I am going to show something here, middleware test. Okay, this is our middleware. So what we'll have to do, in the kernel.php we will have to register this middleware. Copy paste, and I am going to change the name. The middleware location is app http middleware, and our middleware name, that is check price. So we have now registered the middleware into price. So this one will work. Now what we will do is we will write route middleware, and then into the middleware we will put the middleware name as parameter, that is price. Then this symbol group. This is our group function. Okay, in the group we will call function this one. Here we can call this, suppose this, I am going to give another name. Suppose, as this is the price middleware, I am going to give it, suppose item 1. Okay, and here I put item 1 price. Here item 2 echo is item 2 price. Now we can check if this price middleware is working over these two routes. Okay, go here, item 1, you see that the middleware test is here, comes. Okay, that means the middleware is working. This is working. For better view, I am going to put a BR. Now see, middleware test item 1 price. Similarly, item 2 middleware test item 2 price. But if now I create another one here, suppose item 3, but it is outside the middleware. Okay, item 3 price. Now we will check if the middleware works over this or not. You see that in the kernel.php we registered the middleware as a root middleware. So if you do not define any root under a middleware, the middleware will not work on that route. Okay, so I am going to give here item 3. You see that item 3 price is showing, but middleware is not working. But if we cut this and put it into the middleware group, then refresh, we see that the middleware is working now. So in this way we can create middleware and group our middleware. There is another tricks regarding route I am going to show you, that is name route. We can create prefix for the name route. For example, this is city and this is New York. Okay, now what we will do, city, New York is showing. Okay, it is working. Now I will create here route name, and I am going to give it a name, suppose location, like previous. Then I will give it group, and in the group I will create function. Now I am going to take this one into this. So location, and under location this is going to echo. Okay, in the function, and I am going to do another thing, that is name route. Suppose this is a city and I am going to give this a name. Suppose main city. So main city is the name of this route. Okay, I have created name route. So you can call the name route into your view page, and if in the view page you call the name route, then it will work. For example, I am going to welcome blade. Suppose this is the default welcome page. I am going to change the name of this page. I am going to change the information of this page. Welcome. Some text here. If we go here, and this is welcome that I have changed. Here I am going to create an URL. Go to city, for example, and here I am calling route, that is name route. We know that the name of this route is main city. I am going to put it here. So when the main city will be called, then what will happen? This will print the city name New York. Refresh. Now main city not defined. You see that now it is showing that the main city route is not defined. But if you just make these lines off, you will see that this will work. Go to city, click here, the city New York comes back. That means there is no error. But if I am going to back it, but if you put this route into the group route, that is name, route name, okay, here you define location, so you will have to give the name this way, that is location dot main city. Now if we refresh, here I am going to give a dot here, suppose location dot, okay. Refresh. Now it is showing. But if you do not give a dot, then you will have to write it this way, location main city. Refresh. But this name is not actually understandable, because location main city is a big name to understand. So we can write location dot main city. So in this case you will have to give a dot here. So refresh main city, click here, it goes there.